At Veristat, our mission is to help biopharmaceutical innovators navigate the complex process of bringing novel therapies to patients, utilizing scientific principle, bold thinking, and insight.
We like to consider ourselves an intellectually unique and differentiated organization. And what that means to us is that we are not just drone armies that are available to help someone to put bodies to a task that needs to be done. We're thought partners.
At Veristat, we've really tried to empower our employees to be bold thinkers, working with sponsors around their challenges. Think outside of the box. Think creatively about how we can solve the problems that exist in today's clinical development pathways, how we can engage with the regulatory authorities to meet the goals that they are looking to get their compounds approved, how we can overcome challenges in finding patients, in finding sites for their studies. So really that creative thinking to challenge the norm and achieve the client's success. We've been lucky enough at Veristat to work on amazing compounds, some that have been blockbuster. And in the past several years, Veristat has supported, even for a small organization, over 12% of the new molecular entities that were approved by the FDA last year, for example. Veristat did the marketing applications for those to bring those to market.
When customers have really a very complex projects in a sort of indication that sometimes has ever been, being researched, this is what they are looking for. Veristat scientific-driven mindset, the talent that we have recruited and we have been growing through the years, not only here in US, right now also in Europe and in Asia, is something that our customers want to. We are very close to the customers. We work together with them. We embed it into their teams, and we have the same goals as they have.
Veristat has been lucky enough over the years to support many companies as very challenging indications, very challenging study designs have come into play. We've supported companies when Ebola hit, when the COVID crisis. We've gotten studies up and running in very short time frames. We've engaged with the agencies on how to achieve unique study designs. And I think companies really appreciate the expertise that we bring to the table and that creative thinking.
The more important bottom line for us, and the one that we all rally behind and really feeds our ethos and therefore becomes our culture, is the second bottom line, which is our tally of how many drugs we have been a key element of the advancement toward the marketing application, submission, and the ultimate approval of that drug. That bottom line is what we measure in terms of our primary measure of success. And it's really about how many patients can we help with the work that we're doing on a day-to-day basis. That bleeds into our culture in this organization because everybody's here for that reason.
Veristat helps you overcome the unique and complex challenges associated with accelerating therapies through clinical development to regulatory approval and commercialization. Global experts who make the impossible possible.